In this video, we're going to be enabling some design and deploy components inside of the service management platform. This is a critical step so that future steps for aggregation and whatnot can be completed. We're going to go ahead and log in as our tenant administrator. Need to have some special permissions to enable these things, so we'll go ahead and log in as tenant admin. Once logged in, you'll want to go to the mega menu. You'll want to go to administration and application settings. A couple of key factors. So this tenant actually has already had this configured, so we'll be reviewing the configuration steps that are needed. First off, we're going to look at this, the second value in the list, this tenant keychain value. If this has already been created, you'll have a button here that says change keychain. That's what we want to see. We want the keychain to be created. If it has not yet been created, you'll have a create keychain button in this area. So go ahead and click that. It'll take a couple of minutes for that to complete and process. The other things we need to change on this application settings page are towards the bottom. So if you scroll all the way to the bottom and you start coming up from the bottom, you're looking for, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 up from the bottom. It is enable aggregation. You want that to be set to on. Again, it's already enabled in this particular environment, but you'll want to switch that to on. You'll also want to ensure that enable service design and deployment is set to on. And lastly, we'll want to double check the experience mode. The experience mode out of the box will have two values here, IT service management and enterprise service management. And we need to add cloud management to that value. So you can click in that. If there are values available, you should see cloud management in the selectable list here, and just select it, and it should add it to the list. Once completed, scroll all the way to the top. There may be a save button at the very bottom, and go ahead and click save on that. And that will take us to the next step.